In today's digital landscape, security is more critical than ever. With threats evolving, organizations need a robust strategy. Enter AI-powered security and risk management, a practical end-to-end workflow designed to protect your organization effectively. Over the past decade, challenges have surged due to cloud adoption, remote work, and IoT device proliferation. Threat actors are utilizing advanced techniques that evade traditional defenses. Consequently, security teams grapple with an overwhelming volume of data from various sources, such as log files, endpoint protection, and cloud services. The cornerstones of this workflow begin with centralized data collection. By aggregating logs from firewalls, SIEMs, and other tools, organizations can normalize this data into a unified schema. This step eliminates visibility gaps and promotes efficient workflows. Key components of integrated collection include risk scoring, vulnerability management, compliance management, and identity governance. Next, AI-driven threat intelligence steps in. This involves parsing, enriching, and correlating data with external threat feeds. Automated incident response plays a crucial role here. It orchestrates how to handle alerts, whether to quarantine a network, isolate endpoints, or invoke an investigative process. The AI workflow employs a defined strategy for real-time monitoring and anomaly detection. Organizations utilize statistical models to establish baselines and detect deviations while prioritizing alerts based on severity and relevance. This ensures that critical threats are managed more swiftly, ultimately reducing the mean time to detect. Risk assessment follows, allowing entities to measure exploitability and impact. By leveraging a combination of AI and traditional probability models, businesses can accurately score risks and prioritize remediation efforts, ensuring the most pressing vulnerabilities are addressed first. Furthermore, automated vulnerability management simplifies remediation. By continuously assessing vulnerabilities through integrated scanners, organizations can efficiently initiate fixes, apply patches, and track compliance seamlessly. As incidents arise, robust investigation processes provide analysts with complete context thanks to predefined workflows. Using data from various logs and metrics, the contextualization stage helps form a coherent narrative that drives informed decision-making during investigations. Finally, the workflow doesn't stop at detection and response. It emphasizes continuous feedback and strategic improvement. By analyzing performance metrics and incident outcomes, organizations can recalibrate detection models, refine their response plans, and adapt their policies to meet evolving challenges. The strength of this AI-powered security framework lies not merely in technology, it also requires a culture of collaboration across teams. A governance structure promotes accountability, ensuring each process aligns with broader organizational strategies. By implementing this practical, integrated approach, organizations can secure their operations, bolster compliance, and mitigate risks effectively in today's ever-changing threat landscape. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.